Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys, do not disturb. How can we on and how can we use in Infinix phone device? So friends, you want to on guys your phone do not disturb mode. So how can you on it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we on guys do not disturb in Infinix phone device. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends. You can see guys your Infinix phone guys, sound and vibration. Guys, click on phone sound and vibration. Then guys again scroll. Friends, click on do not disturb guys. So friends, you can see your do not disturb guys. Last one guys, you want to on, so guys you can on from here. After on guys, you can see guys your do not disturb notification. Do not disturb will stay on until you turn it off it. And so do not disturb will not off and you will not turn it off. So like that guys, you can on guys your do not disturb and guys you can use it. So thanks for watching the video. I hope friends have understood how to on do not disturb. Bye guys.